Hi everyone, I'm from Vidya's Spoken English Lab. I'm Mr. Vidyadharan. Chunks in English. This is actually the second part of the chunk in English. How to practice chunks? Do you remember what are chunks? They are a group of words used together in a suitable pace for a suitable situation with the right expression. Is this Dine, my classmate? Hey, is this Dine? Oh my God, it's been a long time since we last met. These are words of surprise. Chunks of words of surprise. Let's go for practicing these chunks. Hey, is this Dine? Oh my God, it's been a long time since we last met. Now shadowing. Hey, is this Dine? Oh my God, it's been a long time since we last met. This should be the rhythm when you are shadowing. Now it's your turn. Perfect. Practice repeatedly. Let's talk about chunks in the classroom. Kevin. Hey, good morning. How are you today? Now shadowing. Hey, good morning. How are you today? Now it's your turn. Perfect. Rose. I'm good, but there's a problem. My mom is sick. She's hospitalized. Shadowing. I'm good, but there's a problem. My mom is sick. She's hospitalized. Now it's your turn. Perfect. Now let's practice the chunks in a business conversation. The officer. What do you say about it? The employee. Really, it's a difficult question. Let me think about it. By and large, it's a serious matter. Now it's your turn. Actually, you have to start from really. Really? Let me. By and large. Perfect. Practice by repeating it. Shadowing is the best technique to practice chunks. Repeat the chunks aloud in a fixed rhythm for a particular situation, for a particular expression, is what's called shadowing. Therefore, chunks are the ultimate solution for fluency. You're not fluent because you don't know about chunks. Thank you so much for watching. And this is all about this video. Till we meet next time with another video. Bye bye.